Well, I don't do very many videos anymore, but I'm working on this one project and I thought I'd show something that I found. I'm doing a little bit of rebuild work on this Beckman Industrial Model 9020. The problem with it is the controls were extremely noisy. You'd have to cycle back and forth 10 or 15 times to get them to work right. And input attenuator, I have it disassembled, and the trace looks pretty clean now, but the black all around it, that's basically the way each one of the actual wipers contacted. That's what they actually look like. They were just black and with kind of a faint circle instead of a nice shiny one now. So that'll help. But also what I found out is some of these little relays are getting really high resistance. And I'll show you what I'm talking about on that. One of these, I've got two of them here that are bad. I haven't been able to find one like this quite yet. I'm still looking for it. But this one here, I can't remember which one is which, but one of them does the single or dual trace, and the other one is the alt and chop. And I've got them hooked up here, and I'll turn my power supply on, and you can see how high the 117 ohms. I could turn that on and off several times, and each time it changes. So there's 500 ohms. There's 100 ohms. I've seen it go down as low as like 30 or 40 at times. But needless to say, that is also causing some of the problems with the so-called noisy controls. So I did happen to find a replacement for it on eBay, and I'll turn the camera off, I'll hook it up, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's actuated. Okay, so I've got the new relay connected up the same way as the old one, and watch what happens when I power it up. That's more like it, 0.2 ohms. And that 0.2 ohms, I haven't zeroed out my meter leads, so most of that resistance is probably through the meter leads. But that's just something to keep an eye on when you're redoing one of these, well, any scope at all, not just this one. You may have noisy controls, but also some of the relays may be getting bad as well. And I basically just want to do this short video just to demonstrate that.